should give me a thumbs up just for that attempt on a cinematic intro. Hey, what's up? TROY the maker checking in. Today we are going to make a bag hook. Okay, I was browsing on this website that I haven't been on in a while. It's called Inventables, and they be having projects on there and people upload different designs and all that type of stuff. I saw this design for a backpack hook, so then I thought, yeah, I'm gonna try to make it and make a whole video about it just to see if it really works. I'm going to cut it out using some acrylic, but before we use some acrylic, I'm gonna test it out on some draft board. So this design, it comes in two different size bag hooks. One is small and one is large. So I did some testing just around here, and it seems like the larger one works on more tabletops that I have around here. So we're gonna use the larger design to cut out in some acrylic. And I'm gonna cut it out in 3 different colors of acrylic. One is gonna be green, one is gonna be this glass green, and one is gonna be black. And the reason why I'm doing the greens is because those are what I have in 1/4 inch thick. The black, I'm gonna cut it out in 1/8 inch thick. So it's gonna have more pieces to glue together. As you can see, I already assembled all of these bag hooks. And right here, I used the leftover acrylic as a mold to line all of my pieces up. Also, I forgot to mention that I used some double-sided 3M tape to put them all together. And these bag hooks fit on tables that has a thickness of 1/2 inch all the way up to 1 3/4 inch. So who are these bag hooks for? It's mainly for purses, I would say. So when you out to eat and stuff like that, and most women, they're gonna put their purse like on a chair, but with these bag hooks and hooking on the side of the table and let her purse just hang from the table. This is where these will come in handy in those situations. So what do you think about this bag hook design? I think it's pretty cool. What I would probably do to it is I would probably put it back in the laser machine and like face it maybe some kind of way where I can add like a logo, a name, or a design or something to it. Let me know what you think about that. And let me know what would you do to change this design. Would you make one? You think it's cool? You think it's not cool? Let me know in the comments below. And there you have it, some laser cut bag hooks. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see y'all in the next project. Let's go make something else. Bag hooks. Crazy, but people be cold making stuff though.